We're going to look at the sky through to the window and look at who is in the sky. Who is he? Yes, it's Mr. Sun. So, what day is today? Yeah, it is sunny today. Yes, it is sunny today. Excellent. For Mr. Sun, we're going to sing today 2 songs. Okay? First, we're going to sing a new song, and then we're going to sing our usual song. Ready? Okay. Listen carefully. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather like today? Today is sunny, sunny. Today is sunny, sunny. Today is sunny. It's a sunny day today. Excellent! Yay! Okay. Now we're going to sing You Are My Sunshine. You know already the song? Just sing with me or after me. Ready? Okay. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Have to hip hop. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Excellent!
What day is today? Let's see.
Okay, this is our calendar. My calendar. Remember that this calendar helps us to know what day is today. So let's see what day is today. Today is Monday, 27th April, year 2020. What is the weather like today, remember? It is sunny today. It is sunny and the season is spring. Excellent! Let's continue with our topic, explore the farm. For that, we are going to do some activities today. Are you ready? Yeah? Are you sure? Okay. Are you ready? Close your nose. Close your ears. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Move your hands. Up. Down. Nice. Put on your hands back. Yes. Now it's time to start our activities for today. Let's do it. Okay, for this activity we have to pay attention carefully. Ready? Here I have a poster about the farm. But look at, it's a little empty, right? Need some animals that can fill that. Look at here, I have some little animals, and you are going to help me to put them away and put them in the correct place. Ready? Let's start.
Let's continue to watching the next video. See you so soon.